The Course Redesign Summer 2024 workshop contributed substantially to my decades-long efforts to make my earth science courses more accessible and equitable. The workshop emphasized the importance of an equitable syllabus that is welcoming, invites students to be partners in their learning journey, validates their ability to learn and succeed, acknowledges their diversity, sparks a connection to their lives, elevates their knowledge, skills, and understandings, and demystifies the impression that science classes are inherently difficult. It highlighted the significance of a welcoming home page, underscoring the visual and textual cues that set the tone for the journey students are about to embark on.
Ahoy, oceanography students. I'm Captain Bill. Welcome to Professor Sean's Ocean World.
Hello, Earth scientists. I'm Professor Sean, and I want to welcome you to our course. No matter how you envision our adventure here, and it will be an adventure, I hope you're willing to make the best of it. We're all on this journey together. You, me, your classmates, even my cats.
The workshop enriched my practice of culturally responsive teaching, encouraging a shift from mere cultural references to fully integrating culture into course activities and discussions. It provided a streamlined approach to making assignments more explicit and transparent. Finally, it reinforced my commitment to active learning, universal design for learning, and intersectional pedagogy, frameworks that nurture each student's personal growth, self-awareness, and self-confidence.
In these days, we know the ocean as one vast whole.
En estos días, conocemos el océano como un vasto conjunto.
The Course Redesign workshop offers a collection of essential tools and strategies that are vital for teaching at a community college in the 21st century. It's proof that you can teach an old salty dog new tricks. I am truly grateful for the opportunity to have participated in it.